I'm Eric Perkins. On today's video about construction stuff, we're going to show you 3 ways to make wall partitions to tie one wall to another and have a good connection. I've already built the world's smallest wall so I could move it around and show you these things easy, so let's get going. So first let's do an example of why you need a wall partition to make a connection from one wall to another. If we put this wall in position right here and try to nail it, the only place we'd get a nail is in the top plate up here and the bottom plate down here. There would be no place to nail the sheetrock right here, and also you could see that this board would be way too flimsy. So that's the reason you need a nailer and you need a partition. So let's look at the 3 ways we usually do it. Okay, first we're going to look at wall partitions for an exterior wall. This is the first one I like to do, a 2x6 with a 2x6 coming off it perpendicularly. Now we're going to butt a 2x4 wall into that, and you'll see that I have an 1.5" nailer on either side of this. And I also have a place for insulation to still go behind this wall, so we have a nice tight exterior wall. All right, here's our second example, and the good thing about this way is that it uses scrap boards. So you can save 2 or even 3 studs by doing this method. We use scrap boards to cut these. So again, an exterior wall, you can still get insulation behind these. We use scrap boards. The only disadvantage is that your drywallers may not like it because they don't have a continuous place to nail. Let's butt this in. You can see that we have a place to attach the board every 2 feet. And it will be nice and sturdy, and we also didn't waste any material. Okay, come on in. I've got the most typical way we do this for interior walls, and that is a 2x6, 2x6, 2x4, or if it's in a 2x4 wall, it's a 2x4, 2x4, 2x4. We call that a wall channel, and this will allow us to butt our wall into this wall, have a solid connection, and have an 1.5" nailer on each side for the drywall or paneling. This one works great, takes 3 studs though. That was the fastest video I think I've ever made. So I don't know if it'll be the shortest video ever. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell. You'll get our future videos. Peace. See ya.